Hello, and welcome back to part 3 of our responsive restaurant website project. In this part, we will be using CSS Grid to design our showcase section. Let's dive right in. We'll define a section with a class attribute set to grid container. Then we'll create 3 div elements which will hold our showcase images. As usual, we'll give each a class name for our CSS styling. And that's all for the HTML structure. Now, let's add some CSS styles. We'll select the section element with the class grid container, set the display property of the selected element to a grid layout. We'll set the column layout of the grid to have 2 columns, each taking up an equal fraction of the available space. We'll also give the rows the same values. Then, we will set the spacing between grid items to 10 pixels, both horizontally and vertically. We are also setting the automatic flow of the grid items to be in rows. Next, we will define grid areas and assign each div in the HTML to a specific area. Then, we will center the grid items, both horizontally and vertically, within their respective grid areas. Finally, we are going to add a margin of 40 pixels around the grid container. To complete our design, we will place the corresponding elements into the designated areas specified in the grid container styles. And that is it for this part. We have learned how to use CSS grid layout. In the next part, we will create our special meals section. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.